Hello guys, welcome to Tech Digital Consult. How to design business card with your smartphone. So before you do that, you have to download Business Card Maker onto your smartphone. So you go to Play Store and then download Business Card Maker. We have a lot of business card makers, but I will recommend Business Card Maker by Zippo apps. Zippo. Okay, this one. I recommend this one, Zippo apps. So you can look at the name and then just go to your Play Store, type business card makers, and you can get exactly this one. Alright, that one is easy and very simple. Alright, so I've already downloaded and installed mine, and I'm there. So I'm just going to launch it. So you can launch it after you have downloaded it onto your phone. So I'm at the Play Store, so I just tap open the same way. So I just click tap open. Okay, so it is opening. It is opening. Okay, so here you give a whatever you just rate it. Okay, you can just rate it for them. All right. Okay, so when you finish, then you come to create. So this is the interface of the business card maker. So we have 4 items here. We have create, download, saved, and then letterhead. So you just tap on the first one. Now, because I've been here before, so all the spaces have been filled already. So to take you through, first you will see your name. First you will see your name there. Okay, your name. So you just state your name. So I took Tech Digital. Okay, and then we have what is called designation. Let me remove this. So you see designation over there. Designation, I chose what administrator. Then followed by company name. We have company name, and then Tech Consult. Okay, company name. I just tap in. So all those ones on the lines are those ones that I tapped in. Okay, all right. So here the ASO company name, and I tapped what? I tapped Tech Consult. Okay, like this one as I'm typing. All right. So there will always be a space for you to type. So all those ones are tapped or I typed are already there. So here we have address line 1, address line 2, address line 3. It's talking about addresses of the business or your company. So and here too we have phone 1. So this is the telephone number. I just stated any of them, and then phone 2, that is the second contact number. So you just name it there. All right, then we have website. Okay, so here's the website. So the website www. So I created one, www.gymtech. This one, Gymtech Digital Consults, gymtechdigitals.com. Okay, and then I also stated my email. So when you see these spaces, just fill in the spaces. Fill in the items that you want them to appear on your business card. So this is my email, gymtech@gmail.com. All right, so when you are done, definitely this part, let me come back to the origin. Okay, so this part will look like this. This part will look like this. Okay, look like this. Okay, when you see the plus sign, so above it is written upload company logo. So you just tap on the plus sign. So tap on it, then it will send you to your gallery or whichever picture that you want to take as logo. Okay, on your business card. So it is sending me to my pictures. So I'm tapping and finding my pictures. Okay, so I want this one to be used as my logo. All right, and it will upload, or it will be uploaded. So once it sends you here, then you go to on your far right, top right, you go to crop. Okay, just come here. Okay, then just tap on crop. Tap on crop. All right. So it's been uploaded. Okay. So now it's uploaded. So down here, yours you might see down here. Yours you might see save or update or next. Okay. So I am, because I was there already, that's why they say update, but yours you might see save or the same update. All right, then it will bring us to this page. Choose a template. So here you are. You've already stated the items that you want them to appear on the business card. Now the samples or templates have been given to you, so you can just go through. Remember, sometimes when you see the template, you might see something somewhere here. It's like a crown. Those ones, they are not for free. Okay, but if you want to design it, those ones, you have to, of course you have to subscribe it. Okay, but those ones that you don't have these things on top, you don't have crown, I mean, these are for free. All right. Okay, so I'll let you with that. So all these ones are for free. They are templates that are free. All right. So all these ones. So let me choose this one. So let us choose this one. So as I've chosen that one, so all that you need to do is just tap on it. Tap. So I've tapped on it. Okay. So now you see. Now as I tapped on it, what do you see? We see what? Front. We see front. Okay, front. So front here, and then we see back. Okay, so there are two. You see that we have of course, business card, we have front and then back. So what we are going to do is I'm going to tap on the front. So you tap on the front. So once you tap on the front, you realize that all the items that you want them to appear, or you stated in the spaces, have appeared. So have you seen the logo? My logo is there. Gymtech is there. Have you seen it? So you see the Gymtech, and then the logo is there. Okay, the logo is here, Gymtech. Then you see the contact numbers, and then you see the website. Now when you see it this way and you think you need to do editing, that is why you see at the top here, you realize it is written with edit card at the top there where I circle. You see edit card. So here, let's look at a word like administrator. You realize administrator has shifted, so you can just tap on it like this and you see this, and then just move it, and then when you come here at the top left, you could see Gymtech Digital. Okay, or whatever I wrote there has shifted. So so here you are trying to type what Gymtech Digital, but something came in, so of course you can double tap it. So here you just double tap it. Okay, all right. So when you tap it like this, so right now we have app Gymtech Digital, and that is not what I wrote. So there is a mistake. So what I need to do is I just go to, you see on your right here, I just go to edit text. So there's a mistake here. Of course, this side is where they said is edit card, so you can edit anything. So once I go to edit text, so I click on edit text. Now edit text. So now I'm going to I'm editing this text. Okay, so you tap on edit text, and then you tap there again, you tap the space, so you see what is there. Then that will bring the keys. So you just clean. Of course, I don't need the 1 plus .j, so I clean it, and now I have my Gymtech Digital. Okay, so once I'm done, that's it. Then I go back. Then what do? You just click on OK here. Have you seen OK? You finish editing, so I just click OK. Alright, so you could see that the edit is done. When you look at it here, the editing is done. So just a matter of tap on it, and then shift it, okay, where it suits you. Okay, so have you seen it? So that is the front. So once you are done, then you go to this side, then click on save. Okay, so just tap on save. So I've tapped on save. Then it will give you the suggested name, card 1. So you might not like maybe card 1, so you might want to say maybe gym 1. Then you click done, then OK. Alright, okay, so that is done. Then now you tap on back. Now remember, this is back, this one, the first one we did this one. Now we are here, so tap on back. So tap on it, and you realize that whatever that you fill in the spaces, it will appear here. You don't need to type or write anything there again. So you see, Gymtech console, job opportunity is our priority. So here everything is perfectly placed, and we don't need any editing. So all that we need to do is quickly go to save. We just want to save it, so you just click on save. Alright, then this one you can just make it the first one we made it gym 1, so this one you can make it gym 2. Then you go to done, then OK. Okay, so now when that is done, then you just come here and then tap done. This one, just tap done. Okay, done. Alright, so once you tap done, then it's all those that you saved, both the front of the business card and the back of the business card, are saved inside this. Okay, that's why we have saved. So it means that all the work that you save will be found in this saved box. So you quickly tap on it, and you see your work inside. So tap on it. Alright, so let us look for gym 1. So have you seen gym 1? So have you seen gym 1? Have you seen gym 1? This is gym 1, and then gym 2. Good. So you tap on it, and you have your business card. So let's tap on it. Yeah, so that's we have your business card. So that one, as you finish with it, to be sure, and as you have saved, assuming you want to preview, so we at the top here, we want to preview it, just tap on preview. to check what you have done. So tap on preview. So I've tapped on preview. So this is the preview. Okay, this is the preview. You get it now. So that is how to make a business card. So you have a lot of items here too, where they say download as what image. So you can download it as image, as we have here. So you can download it as image, whatever that you want to do with it. You can download it and add, and then download as what PDF. They are all there. So that is how to create what business card. Thank you very much, and I hope by watching this video you can always create or design your business card. So make sure you always subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and follow me always. Bye.